3 underage girls missing since 19 September under Dongkamukam police station. Flash flood waters in undated at Kudam Singner village troubles the villagers. Large-size multi-purpose cooperative society lamps limited organized annual general meet at Dokmoka.
Amar Jivan adawai kinangji atumaphan isi birta kemi. Bangso adawai non ke Karbiang long pen West Karbiang long along setami long pon ikji. Lapenan parta nanglina hok damde hem tot lun pen nangli hem an nangke pathon kok mati home delivery our size setami do ikji. Lapen isi alam ning chibi tha nangli surihinira pharu plia tangka chepadam pen cheklojon plia pharman Amar Jivan adawai long ikji. Lasi humri ignon Amar Jivan.
Pangken Bortoman la Mojiona Dwai Chandon Pen Yolari Kengi Sukat Iri Kengi Sukat Timi Harja Hai Bang Sap Nipon Bom Pasa Division Market Kolasia Punon Chen Tulut
Clardak Ben Kachini Jiapan Troxy Paivi Hini Trop Ho Paivi Troxy Nerkapalong Humri Ignon.
Hello and welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. In a mysterious incident, 3 underage girls from Dongkamukam was reportedly said to be missing since 29th of September. The missing girls were identified as Sirmili Terangpi, 16 years old, Sirli Teronpi, 17 years old, and Marigold Hansepi, 18 years old. It was said that they went to attend their classes in their own respective school on 19 September, and since then, they did not return home. Sirli Teronpi is a 10th standard student of KAL English High School and is the daughter of Chandan Teron and Rebecca Hansepi. Sirmili Terangpi is a 9th standard student of R2 Kekang High School and is the daughter of Borson Terang and Sojala Rongparpi. Marigold Hansepi is an 8th standard student of Dongkamukam Girl High School and is the daughter of Mohendra Hanse and late Moina Timungpi. It was reported that all of them left their home for school at early 7:30 a.m. morning on 19th of September, and since then, they did not come home yet. It's been 3 days, yet there is no any information about their whereabouts. An FIR missing report was lodged at Dongkamukam Police Outpost. Parents of those missing children works as a daily wage laborer for the stone chips manufacturing companies and is said to be financially weak and currently not in a position to initiate a search and rescue operation. Hence, the parents and guardians appeal the higher authority of KAAC, social and students organization and the concerned civilians to kindly help them trace their missing children.
SA tumhan lapen ki NCA tumhan sitar lapen Karbiang long kirai akit hekiding asar CMEM asar tumhan taprabding penili supi tumkang budat labang kit homakhan nang ripidun rawan nang wan piserak asonte mi parpusinili tuning ripartiglo.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for KAL Live. On 20th of September at around 9 a.m., due to unseasonal rainfall, many areas in Duarbaguri constituency was hit by a flash flood. Areas including Dator, Rongbongkhad and Dehuri were seen to be the most affected region. Due to these unforeseen circumstances, many students had missed their school, business of small traders was ruined, and many villages were displaced. It was reported that crop fields of the villages were submerged under the water due to flood. Bamboo suppliers expressed their grievances over the loss they had received. Paddy fields to nearly 4 villages were submerged or partly washed away by the flash flood. News Desk report for KAL Live. On 21st of September, Dokmoka Large-Size Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Lamps Limited organized annual general meet at Dokmoka under Mahamaya constituency. The meeting was chaired by Rajan Rongpi, Chairman, Bapuram Singner, Secretary, Yuvaraj Towson, Senior Inspector, and Jitendra Rongpar, Junior Inspector, Cooperative Society, attended as an observer, and Bapuram Singner, Secretary, and all the Board of Directors of Dokmoka Large-Size Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Lamps Limited, along with the staffs, attended the meeting. Bapuram Singner, secretary, while delivering his speech, briefed about the achievement and activities done between 2021 and 2022 with all the shareholders. It was also informed that several ideas and policies to render the best service towards the society for the term 2022-2023 was also discussed.
LAMS এখন only PDS business টোই নহয় তাৰ বাদেও আপোনালোকে ডিপোজিট মোবিলাইজেশ্যন কৰিব পাৰে আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকে ফাৰ্মিং কৰিব লাগে ফাৰ্মিং বিজনেছটো কৰিব পাৰে আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকে ফাৰ্টিলাইজাৰ বিজনেছটো কৰিব পাৰে তো বহুতখিনি ব্যৱসায় আপোনালোকে LAMSৰ জৰিয়তে কৰিব পাৰে
Internal auditor was also appointed from among the public to monitor the services provided by the Dokmoka Large Size Multipurpose Cooperative Society LAMS Limited.
Kimi internal auditor po hisapen nilito dinitiron panalang lipan point pon lo.
Bangkon pala.
Inuwet.
Samsung Test report from Dongmokak for KAL English Live. And that's all we have it as for this morning. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.